Hey everyone, Tyler Bristow here with CenterlineMapping.com. In this video, I'm going to show how you can use Google Directions within the PointMan application to quickly show how to get to a particular piece of information within a project. So let's say you need to know where a valve is and you're on your way, but you don't know how to get there. Several uses for this functionality. Great functionality, but let's show you how to do that. So I've got ticket number 34 open. Let's say we want to go to ticket number 40. I'm going to open ticket number 40, double tap 40, and this is going to open our project data for ticket number 40. So for example, let's say we've got an issue with a valve. It's kind of it's not working. Maybe need to send someone out there. They can open this application up and they can tap on that valve, and then you can choose Google Directions. So I'm going to tap the valve. Down here in the selection bar, you can see I've got the water valve selected, and you can see the option for directions. So just go ahead and tap the directions button, and this is going to show you how to get to that valve. As you can see, I'm standing right next to that valve, and it'll take me about 1 minute to get to it. So let's go ahead and turn the phone around, and there's the valve. Now I know where the valve is and how to get there. So that one was very tricky, but let's go ahead and do this. Let's go back. On the phone, I'm going to tap back, and I'm going to open up ticket number 32. So I'm opening up ticket number 32, zoom out a bit, and I'm going to select the water pipe, and I'm going to choose directions. This one's a little bit further away. So now it's going to pull up directions, and you can quickly drive to that location for an emergency, for safer traveling, less travel distances. So that's a great functionality that they built into the PointMan application. I wanted to demo that to you. Alrighty, that concludes this video, and thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks everyone.